Hi friends, welcome to Code with Soni. In previous video we have discussed about the string, the simplest function that we have applied on strings and how we get data from user. Now we will do some extra activities and some extra examples to get familiar with the syntax of simple Python code. In previous videos of C language, I have discussed in detail that how are functions be made, what are these kinds, what are return type, what are the parameters on which functions will definitely give the output as your desire. In Python, we have also functions that work in a same zeal, but it has a simplest syntax, unlike C, C++, and other languages. For example, I am going to create a function for it def. It means I am defining my function. Let's say hi. This is my function, and in round brackets I am giving my parameter to my function. It is not necessary to give a parameter. For example, this is the syntax of my function, and after it I am going to print hello world. Alright, and after that print say hi, or just call it say hi. Do you see hello world? Now I am going to make it bit different, like I'm going to give it a parameter like name, and for this hello and name. Alright, this is the simplest instruction that you are writing in the module of your function, and in calling I have to give it my name, that is Soni. Alright, hello Soni. It is a simplest function. Function definition, function initialization, and function calling is within in 3 lines, which is bit easier in Python. Now we have discussed conditional statements like if else, nested if, and so on in C language. There has a used in Python also, like uh, take a variable like is male. Alright, this is a variable and I'm going to give it a boolean value like true. Alright, then I'm going to apply a conditional statement like if is male colon print you are a male, else print you are a female. Let's run the program. You are a male because I have assigned a true value, a boolean value to is male. Now erase it. Let's take another variable age and give it a 20. In if module, age, if age is less than 100, print your age is less than 100, else you are older. Okay, our condition meets the requirement, which is 20, and 20 is less than 100. Your age is less than 100. Alright, now the other condition statement, that is if else. Other than else, we add another if. For that, like if else if, that is else if. For now, we are going to add another condition. For example, age is greater than 100. Your age is less than 100 because I have created my criteria, that is 20. So this statement fulfill and true. That's why it prints your age is less than 100. Okay. In Python, other than function and other than conditional statements, there is a dictionary which you can make easily. For that, making a dictionary, we are creating a dictionary of months. For that, I am creating an element month conversion. Alright, and apply a curly bracket so that it has created a module of dictionary. Here, for example, Jan, which is a short form of January, J. After that, apply a comma. Feb, comma, Mar, for example, AP, April, and so on. Let's say NOV, November, and DEC. Apply a comma. December. Alright, this dictionary has been created. After it, I have to print only March, so that print month conversion. I call a dictionary. In square brackets, I write my text as Mar. Alright, see what happens. March. We use dictionary for somehow in Python, which will further meets your coding skills. So that this is enough for today's video. If you like the video, then share it with your friends, and for any query, please comment below. For more videos, Please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.